Meet Kate. She's got a photography deadline coming up and clients to impress. Steve here has an important deal to close, and little Claire's got a big school project due tomorrow. There's no time to waste on bad prints that look like your grandmother's faded wallpaper. Sorry, Grandma. They need bold, bright colors, and they need them now. Clever Supplies is a total game changer with excellent customer service and a variety of toner cartridges to fill any printer. You've got a printer, they've got your ink. The cartridges are easy to install and the results, well, they speak for themselves. And they're saying, damn, I look good. Score new clients. Get that A+ on your project. You deserve it. Yes, Kate, Steve, and Claire, you get a high five for all your hard work. Be clever like them, and you'll be doing a happy dance when you choose Clever Supplies toner cartridges. Nice moves.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.